Understanding Wood Chip Mulch, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, wood chip mulch. This is a term commonly used in gardening and landscaping, so understanding it can be quite useful. Let's dive into the details and make this concept clear and easy to understand. Wood chip mulch is a term that combines two concepts, wood chips and mulch. First, let's break down these terms individually. Wood chips are small pieces of wood that are typically byproducts of timber operations. They come in various sizes, from small flakes to larger chunks. On the other hand, mulch is a material spread over the surface of the soil. Its primary purpose is to conserve soil moisture, improve fertility, and reduce weed growth. So, wood chip mulch refers to wood chips used as a mulching material in gardens and landscapes. Wood chip mulch offers several benefits, making it a popular choice among gardeners. Its key advantages include moisture retention. It helps the soil retain moisture by reducing evaporation. Weed control. By covering the soil, it prevents sunlight from reaching weed seeds, thereby reducing weed growth. Soil health. Over time, wood chips decompose, adding organic matter to the soil and improving its quality. Aesthetic appeal. Wood chip mulch can enhance the visual appeal of a garden with its natural and rustic look. When using wood chip mulch, it's important to apply it correctly. Here are some tips. Depth. Apply a layer about 2 to 4 inches thick. Too thin a layer won't be effective, and too thick can hinder air and water flow to the soil. Avoid direct contact. Keep the mulch a few inches away from plant stems and tree trunks to prevent rot and pest issues. Replenishment. Over time, wood chips will decompose. You'll need to add more to maintain the effective depth. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding what wood chip mulch is and how it's used in gardening. Remember, it's not just about knowing the term but understanding how it applies to real-life situations. Happy gardening, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.